Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Milwaukee 4.5-inch grinder. It's a new tool I just got. I'm going to unbox it and just put it together for you guys to show you what it looks like. Got the safety cover. Some Milwaukee paperwork, operator's manual, there's the handle, there's the tool, and then this other tool used to put the grinding wheel on. All I have to do to put the handle on is just put it in this hole right here and screw it on. Okay, I'm gonna put this cover on. It's got like these little alignment things for it, and then this little spring-loaded lever. So we're gonna put it on. This. And then just gonna turn it. The spring loaded like that. So that's what I have to do. And that's how it looks. Let's put it all together. So let's see if it says anything on the box important. 4-pole frameless motor, 10,000 RPM, prevents damage to tool and battery, tool-free, burst-resistant guard, and let's see, debris baffles, L-shaped vents keep debris from entering the tool, extra large paddle switch. So yeah, no battery, it's just a tool only. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.